Many of us, including myself, were led to believe that leather equates to luxury, that the softness and leather smell is ultra chic. Nearly 1 billion animals are killed yearly for the skins and hides industry. Well, I'm here to tell you 10 things you didn't know about that leather chair or couch you might be sitting on right now that might make you think about real leather and faux leather in a whole new way. Leather doesn't only originate from cows. Leather can originate from dogs, cats, seals, and anything with a skin. The term dog leather is now being heard more often. Yes, dog leather exists. China is the leading exporter of leather, and dog skin is exported as leather. It takes about 8 cows horrifically slaughtered to make the average sofa. It is pretty much impossible to produce mass quantities of anything animal-derived humanely. Leather has always been marketed as a byproduct of the meat industry, meaning we eat the meat of the cow, so we might as well use their skins. Well, the truth is that meat is actually a byproduct of the leather industry. The skins hold much more value than the meat. So cows are bred for their skins and bred for their meat. The workers who are desperate for money to feed themselves and their families are also treated inhumanely. There is very little regulation in the skins industry since most of the industry's farms and slaughterhouses are in poor countries. The average tannery worker, those that treat the skins with chemicals, die at the age of 50 from working in such unsafe, toxic conditions. Leather is not healthy. It's soaked in poisons, and those poisons seep into our porous skin, which can trigger illness or aggravate existing sicknesses. There is new technology on the horizon producing faux leathers that are derived from fruits and vegetables such as pineapples and mushrooms. You can't eat them though. There are endless man-made faux leather options that are less toxic than real leather, durable, affordable, luxurious, and compassionate. They don't harm people, animals, or the planet.